Hi folks, this is Max from GalaxyTabHacks.com. So today we're going to learn to install a Ubuntu Linux CH rooted on top of your tablet device. This is great because you don't need to replace your whole Android. You can keep the Android and have Ubuntu basically running like a virtual machine. So first you'll want to go to Settings, Applications, and uncheck USB debugging. You have to remove the cable first. Make sure that's off, that way you can connect it as disk drive, and then connect your USB cable to your computer, and you go to the Samsung Keys mode and go download the ubuntu.zip file and then unzip it to it's going to unzip it to a folder called Ubuntu. And Samsung Keys brought me this, so I'll open it and go to your tablet and this is the Ubuntu file I was talking about. I'll have links where you can get it. And when you unzip it, you'll just get a folder with a bunch of these files. And copy over the whole folder to the root directory of your Galaxy Tab 10.1, which I've already did. So, let me double check. Yes, all the files are there. And then you're good to go. Now what you want to do is take your USB thing out and re-enable USB debugging. Alright, and then stick that back in. Alright. Next, if you don't have ADB, download my adb.zip and unzip it to the root folder of your C directory like I did. Just easy to find when you get into command prompt. So I have this adb.exe. So we're going to open up command prompt and go do cd/adb. Sorry, I have Korean font in there, that's why it's all funky, because it's actually a backslash like this. And you have ADB, and make sure you have Samsung Galaxy Tab drivers installed. And then we're going to do ADB shell. Right, so we're in shell. And you can do SU just to make sure you're SU. And go cd/SD card. And ls shows you what files you have. Too many files here. And go to cd Ubuntu, right? We'll do another ls-l, which should show you all the files. And next, what we'll do is we'll run the ubuntu.sh script. So do sh and ubuntu.sh like that. Alright, so ignore all this stuff. It's just removing it in case you do it twice. It's trying to remove the directories. But I think it works. So let's try boot Ubuntu. And hopefully we'll get a brand new Linux command thingy. And then we've got Ubuntu running. So 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, got it. See that? Oh yeah. So we're at root at localhost. So all I'm wondering is, I wish it could run on my tablet device pretty fast. Next, we have to install some stuff. So let's go do that. First of all, you want to do apt-get update. This will update everything. This is the okay, everything's done there. And then you can install OpenSSH server, which is, so you can log into it anytime remotely, not via command line. You can do that. I have instruction on my site, so you can check it out. And then what we'll do is we'll install type VNC server so we can access it from our tablet device. So do apt-get install type VNC server. Alright, and say yes. This actually is working. It seems pretty fast. I'm just wondering how fast the VNCs will run. So, uh-oh, what happened? It just says password didn't exist. It should be fine. Updating. So it did install. But you can try it again, just in case. If you think it didn't install, it'll say it's already installed. Yeah, that's fine. And then let's do this. Let's type cat /root cat. You know what, just copy over and paste what I have on my site. I'm just gonna copy and paste like that. Cat, like that. Oops. What happened? No, hold on. You know what? You can skip the LXD step. Just to export, oops. Export user and root like that. Alright, and then we're going to do VNC server. We're going to start the VNC server. Dash geometry. Our tablet device is 12 by 800, so let's do it exactly like that. And it's going to ask you type password, so I'm just going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can enter view only password, but I'm just gonna say no. Just hit enter. Okay, so our server is running. You can do if config to figure out what the address is. Oh, actually, you know what? It's just gonna be localhost. But you can connect it from your. You can do if config. It'll show you 192.168.3.199. That's the address you can connect to. You gotta connect to the port 5901, and you can connect it from your computer. Actually, well, no, let me connect it on my tablet device. It's more fun that way. Hi, folks. So we're gonna go download a VNC program. Let me unplug this real quick because it's kind of getting in the way. And go search for Android VNC. Android VNC. Install this one. That's pretty good. All of them are pretty good. It's free. And okay. And we're just gonna go try to connect it via localhost 5901 with our password 123456. So that's done. So nickname tab and password is 123456. Address is 127.0.0.1. This is the local host. You're just basically connecting back into Ubuntu via VNC 5901. And colors, let's do 24-bit colors so it looks nice. I guess that's it. So let's try to connect, and voila! Voila, baby! We've got Ubuntu. Now the question is how well it will run, because on my smartphones it didn't run too well. It's actually a little bit bigger, the screen. But let's go run up some stuff here. It's actually a little bit laggy, I think. Darn it. See, I thought the faster processors would solve this problem, but I think there's a limit, I guess. Well, it's kind of loading up, kind of slow. But the internet works. Let's go type something on Google. Actually, you know, I have to fix the keyboard because there is no keyboard here right now. Oh, input mode. Touchpad, no. Oh, let's go to the latest headlines. Then we don't have to type anything. But it looks really clear. The screen looks awesome because it's actually running at 1280 by 800. And I might hook up my Bluetooth mouse. See if I can do better. So hold on, let me go hook up my Bluetooth mouse and keyboard. Hi folks, so I've got it connected, my Manotech waterproof keyboard, which I highly recommend. It's waterproof and you can go. And I've got the Microsoft mouse, so my mouse cursor is running. So let me go back to my Ubuntu and see if we can do this for real. And it's got this functionality. But now I can use the mouse. Check it out. It's a full functioning Linux box. Kind of slow, but let me open up Shell. Maybe that'll run faster. Because I don't really use browser on a Linux system anyways. I think Shell should be a lot faster. So I've got my Bluetooth keyboard. Uh-oh. So I'm getting a bogus thing. Let me go fix that. It's just a settings thing, so I'll be back. Hi folks, so I've got my Bluetooth and mouse working and I've got the keyboard fixed. So I'm in Shell and actually you can see the top, it shows the process is running on my Galaxy Tab. Actually it runs pretty nicely. My keyboard's working, you know, just the graphics are slow because it's all running off the same memory. But you know, if you're into like hacking stuff and you know using your SSH, actually this is not a bad idea. It's kind of fun actually. Oops, ls, there we go. Hello there, my flawless, oops, this keyboard's kind of small. My flawless, you know, if I had the tab on top of me like this, well anyway, I got it working and my keyboard is working flawlessly. And let's test out the 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 0. And my mouse is working, so it's like a little computer within a computer. I mean, your tablet's already a computer, but it's nice to see. But I don't think Flash works. I don't think they have Flash for this. They might. Let me see if they do. So, well, not really. Let me see if I can go down here. There's YouTube downloaders. Well, we'll have to see. I'm sure there's a way to make it work. But for now, we've got the browser working. It's definitely running much faster than on my G2 phone, for example. And also it's more usable because the screen now you can see it like, you know, 1280 by 800. I freaking love this now. I'll go check the news real quick. So it's kind of like the Atrix 4G, except you don't have the dock and you don't have the this one's actually CH rooted, but the speed, I think it's about the same. I have the Atrix 4G dock and it's pretty much, it's maybe a little bit faster than this. So for Linux to run on Android, I think we still have long ways to go. But it's a good thing. Now I can actually, play around with it. I'm running full Ubuntu made for ARM ports. I hope they make it all better. Anyway, I'm gonna go update this. That was how to install Ubuntu on your Galaxy Tab, and I'll have full instructions. It's pretty much exactly same as my original version. But I did have that keyboard hack, and also you have to change the resolution to be a little bit higher. But I love it. So see y'all later.